7 Stoic strategies for every modern woman. In a battlefield world where expectations clash with reality and uncertainties loom on the horizon, there exists an ancient philosophy that can transform you from a mere participant into a warrior of life. Picture yourself armed not with swords or shields, but with an unshakable mindset that propels you forward with purpose and resilience. These Stoic strategies, tailored for modern women, will igniting the fire within you to conquer challenges and emerge victorious in every aspect of your journey. Brace yourself, for the path to empowerment awaits those brave enough to embrace it. 1. Embrace your inner strength. In a world that often underestimates the power within, Stoicism serves as a guiding light, illuminating the depths of our own resilience and fortitude. Modern women are no strangers to adversity, yet amidst the chaos, it's easy to overlook the boundless strength lying dormant within. Stoicism beckons us to embark on a journey of self-discovery, to delve deep into the recesses of our souls and unearth the raw potential that lies within. It starts with self-awareness, the intimate knowledge of who we are, what we stand for, and what we're capable of achieving. By embracing our strengths, acknowledging our weaknesses, and accepting ourselves unconditionally, we lay the foundation for unyielding confidence and unwavering resolve. Stoicism teaches us that true strength isn't measured by physical prowess or external achievements, but by the indomitable spirit that resides within us. It's the resilience to rise from failure, the courage to confront our fears, and the tenacity to persevere in the face of adversity. It's the quiet confidence that emanates from knowing that no matter what life throws our way, we possess the inner strength to endure and overcome. For modern women, embracing our inner strength isn't just an act of self-empowerment, it's a revolutionary declaration of our inherent worth and potential. It's about recognizing that we are the architects of our own destiny, capable of forging our paths with purpose and passion. So stand tall, shoulders squared, hearts ablaze with the fire of determination, and embrace the boundless power that lies within. For in the embrace of our inner strength, we find the courage to conquer mountains and the resilience to weather any storm that may come our way. 2. Practice mindful presence. In a world teeming with distractions and demands, the concept of mindfulness has become more than just a buzzword. It's a lifeline for modern women seeking solace amidst the chaos. Stoicism, with its emphasis on living in the present moment, offers a timeless remedy for the scattered minds and fragmented attention spans that plague our modern existence. To practice mindful presence is to awaken to the richness of each passing moment, to immerse ourselves fully in the tapestry of life unfolding before us. It's about cultivating a deep awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and surroundings, free from the shackles of past regrets or future anxieties. Stoicism reminds us that the present moment is all we truly have. The past is but a memory, and the future a mere figment of our imagination. By anchoring ourselves in the here and now, we reclaim our power to shape our reality and influence the course of our lives. For modern women, the practice of mindful presence is not merely a luxury. It's a necessity for survival in a world that often pulls us in a million different directions. It's about reclaiming ownership of our time and attention, carving out moments of stillness amidst the chaos to reconnect with ourselves and recalibrate our priorities. In the stillness of mindful presence, we find clarity amidst confusion, peace amidst turmoil, and strength amidst vulnerability. So let us embrace the practice of mindful presence as a sacred ritual, a sanctuary of serenity in a world that never ceases to demand our attention. For in the depths of our own presence, we discover the power to navigate life's currents with grace and resilience, one breath at a time. 3. Embrace adversity as growth. In a world that often portrays adversity as a foe to be feared and avoided, Stoicism offers a radical reimagining, a perspective that transforms challenges into catalysts for growth and self-discovery. For modern women navigating the labyrinth of life, this shift in mindset is nothing short of revolutionary, offering a pathway to empowerment in the face of adversity. Stoicism teaches us that adversity is not a sign of weakness, but rather a testament to our resilience and strength. It challenges us to view setbacks not as stumbling blocks, but as stepping stones on the path to greatness. Every obstacle becomes an opportunity for growth, every failure a lesson in resilience, and every hardship a chance to forge our character in the fires of adversity. For modern women, embracing adversity as growth is a radical act of self-love and empowerment. It's about reframing our perception of challenges, seeing them not as insurmountable barriers, but as invitations to rise above our circumstances and become the architects of our own destiny. In the crucible of adversity, we discover reserves of strength and courage we never knew we possessed. We learn to harness the power of resilience, transforming setbacks into springboards for success and setbacks into opportunities for transformation. 4. Cultivate emotional resilience. In a world where emotions often sway like the tides, Stoicism stands as a beacon of stability, offering a roadmap to emotional resilience for modern women navigating the complexities of life. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to become masters of our emotions rather than slaves to them, empowering us to cultivate inner peace and serenity even in the midst of life's storms. To cultivate emotional resilience is to embrace the Stoic virtues of courage, wisdom, and temperance, the pillars upon which a steadfast heart is built. It's about acknowledging our emotions without being consumed by them, recognizing that while we cannot always control external events, we retain the power to control our responses to them. For modern women, the cultivation of emotional resilience is a revolutionary act of self-empowerment. It's about reclaiming ownership of our emotional landscape, refusing to be buffeted by the winds of circumstance or swayed by the whims of others. It's about standing firm in the face of adversity, rooted in the knowledge that our true strength lies not in the absence of fear or pain, but in our ability to confront them with courage and grace. In the practice of emotional resilience, we discover the power of perspective, the ability to reframe challenges as opportunities, setbacks as lessons, and pain as a catalyst for growth. We learn to navigate the ebb and flow of life's emotions with grace and equanimity, finding solace in the knowledge that no matter how turbulent the waters may become, we possess the inner anchor to weather any storm. So let us cultivate emotional resilience as a sacred practice, a testament to the power of the human spirit to transcend adversity and emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. For in the crucible of emotional resilience, we discover the true depth of our inner strength, the unwavering courage of our hearts, and the boundless power of our souls. 5. Focus on what you can control. In a world fraught with uncertainty and chaos, Stoicism offers a guiding principle that serves as a North Star for modern women seeking clarity amidst the tumult. Focus on what you can control. At its essence, this principle teaches us to direct our energy and attention towards the aspects of our lives that lie within our sphere of influence, rather than expending precious resources on circumstances beyond our control. To embrace this Stoic mindset is to reclaim agency over our lives, empowering us to navigate the ever-shifting currents of existence with purpose and intention. It's about recognizing that while we cannot control external events or the actions of others, we retain sovereignty over our thoughts, attitudes, and actions. As modern women, practice of focusing on what you can control is a revolutionary act of self-empowerment. It's about releasing the burden of trying to micromanage the uncontrollable, and instead channeling our energy into areas where we can affect meaningful change. It's about reclaiming our power from external forces and becoming architects of our own destiny. 6. Practice gratitude and resilience. In a world often overshadowed by negativity and strife, Stoicism offers a transformative antidote, the practice of gratitude and resilience. At its core, this principle teaches us to cultivate an attitude of appreciation for the blessings in our lives, no matter how small, and to harness the power of resilience to weather life's inevitable storms. To practice gratitude is to shift our focus from scarcity to abundance, from despair to hope, from resentment to contentment. It's about recognizing and acknowledging the countless gifts that surround us each day. The warmth of the sun on our skin, the laughter of loved ones, the simple joys of life that often go unnoticed in the hustle and bustle of daily existence. For modern females, the practice of gratitude, it's an act of self-care and empowerment. It's about reclaiming ownership of our narrative, refusing to be defined by our circumstances or overshadowed by adversity. It's about finding strength and solace in the knowledge that no matter how dire our circumstances may seem, there is always something to be grateful for. In the practice of resilience, we discover the power to rise from the ashes of despair, to find beauty in the midst of chaos, and to emerge stronger and more resilient than ever before. It's about embracing life's challenges as opportunities for growth, recognizing that our struggles have the potential to become our greatest teachers. So let us practice gratitude and resilience as sacred rituals, as acts of defiance against the darkness that threatens to consume us. For in the practice of gratitude, we discover the power to transform our lives from the inside out, to cultivate a spirit of abundance and resilience that shines brightly in even the darkest of times. 7. Embrace virtuous action. In a world where the pursuit of success often prioritizes external achievements over inner fulfillment, Stoicism presents a radical paradigm shift: the cultivation of virtuous action. At its core, this principle challenges modern women to align their actions with their deepest values and principles, transcending the superficial markers of success to embody true greatness of character. To embrace virtuous action is to walk the path of integrity, compassion, and courage, regardless of external pressures or temptations. It's about living with unwavering authenticity, staying true to ourselves even when faced with adversity or criticism. It's about recognizing that true success is not measured by wealth, fame, or accolades, but by the impact we have on the world and the lives we touch along the way. The practice of virtuous action gives self-empowerment and defiance. It's about reclaiming agency over our lives and refusing to be swayed by societal expectations or cultural norms. It's about stepping into our power as agents of change, using our influence and resources to uplift and inspire those around us. In the pursuit of virtuous action, we discover the true meaning of success, a life lived with purpose, passion, and integrity. It's about leaving a legacy that extends far beyond material wealth or fleeting fame, a legacy of kindness, compassion, and courage that reverberates through the ages. So let us embrace virtuous action as a guiding principle in our journey through life, a compass that points us towards true fulfillment and meaning. For in the practice of virtuous action, we discover the power to transcend our limitations, to leave an indelible mark on the world, and to live a life of profound significance and purpose. It's transformative, the power of Stoicism for modern women. Within each of us lies a wellspring of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. Stoicism serves as a timeless guide, offering not just strategies for navigating life's challenges, but a roadmap to personal empowerment and fulfillment. I encourage you to join us on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and be the first to know when our next video drops. Together, let's unlock the secrets of Stoicism and embark on a journey towards a brighter, more empowered future.